For some people, is the question about Vipasana is the biggest thing is that the biggest challenge is not to be able to talk with other people and not to look to anyone's eyes. And living in a big city, when I just attended in the Vipasana course this Sunday, living in a big city, I sat down on the chair to meditate, and I actually realized that now what we are doing here, we are sitting down and meditating and doing the same thing as we do in 10 days course. And I was thinking, okay, so this is what I do every day. Meditate maybe not every day, but this is what I do every day. This is what we do every day living in the cities, especially in the big cities. There's a huge amount of traffic of people walking, and we are really doing a proper Vipasana. Not talking to anyone, not looking to anyone's eyes, trying to avoid any type of contact. So if you think that Vipasana is something what could be like these two things what I said, like you can, a challenge for you, it seems like there is a big challenge for you not to talk with other people or not to have eye contact, which is in this specific technique for this amount of time is necessary. You can relax, sit back, relax and enjoy your flight, because this is the most easy part. So I just wanted to share this and to kind of break down a little bit of this scarcity of not talking to anyone for 10 days or not having any contact, because we're even used to this, and especially people who are living in bigger cities. You just saw it now. And another question is, I was thinking about the big separation within this, but there's another topic which I want to talk about, which I will talk later. Yeah, so I just wanted to share this. I mean, 10 days is not a big deal. One thing what is most nice is actually, so these two things are really easy to do. It's very simple. It's so easy because everyone comes for the same inner, what's the word? Feeling that they are gonna do this now, and so it's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And this is actually the most nicest part, when you not talk for all of these days. You save so much energy first of all, and then later on you realize how much you talk and how much trash you talk. And so anyways, it's very easy. I was on the same side. I was like, whoa, shit, this is so, no way. This is so difficult because I love talking. I do. And this was the easiest part. And that was very pleasant for me, so pleasurable, let's say. And then afterwards it gave me a lot of benefits, even without with using this not talking thing. Okay, my train. Metropolis. Phew, that's why I cycle all the time.